Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Purple is reachable and you have credentials. Install the Purple CLI and authenticate so commands work. Once done, clone your project or create one with Purple Create Project to get the scaffold. Make sure to export Purple API KEY and Purple region now so subsequent commands run without interruption. This prevents permission errors and speeds the next steps, because the CLI and environment variables let you deploy, test, and iterate locally before moving to the more complex configuration. You now integrate the Purple SDK into your codebase and wire the runtime config. Install the SDK and reference it in your entry file, then edit Purple YAML or package JSON scripts to define build and deploy steps so Purple knows how to run your app. Once configured, connect databases, object storage, and secrets via the Purple console or CLI, because those integrations enable persistent data and secure keys. After that, run Purple build locally, which validates configuration and surfaces errors before deploying. You deploy using Purple deploy and choose production or preview to test behavior. After deployment, verify service status, check logs for startup traces, and exercise endpoints to confirm responses and health checks. If something fails, first inspect runtime logs and ensure environment variables are present. Then check dependency versions and rebuild if mismatches occur, because mismatched packages often break startup. Finally, roll back to the previous working deployment if needed, and iterate fixes locally before redeploying to minimize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.